Hello students, today's topic is on jaundice. We all know some extent about jaundice, but today we learn the pathophysiology of the jaundice. So what is jaundice? Jaundice is the yellow pigmentation of the skin and sclera. So why this yellow colors appear in skin and sclera? What is the reason? The reason is bilirubin. What is bilirubin? Bilirubin is the byproduct of RBC breakdown, which is a yellow pigment. And this yellow pigment has high affinity for elastic tissues, and hence jaundice is particularly noticeable in tissue rich in elastin content. And skin is made up of elastic tissue, and the conjunctiva, that is the thin membrane of sclera, contain elastic content. So in jaundice, skin and sclera getting yellow at very first. Now in our plasma there are two type of bilirubin is present. One is conjugated and another is unconjugated. If the level of either conjugated or unconjugated bilirubin gets too high into the blood, it leads to jaundice. Now here a schematic diagram of RBC breakdown, because previously I told that bilirubin is a byproduct of RBC breakdown. Now we'll see what happened. So the RBC break down into macrophages. So when RBC is breaking down, hemoglobin is released. Hemoglobin has two parts. One is globin, another is heme. This globin part is protein part and it is converted into amino acid. Now comes to the heme part. Heme is converted into biliverdin, and in this conversion heme oxygenase is help. Now biliverdin is converted into bilirubin, and this conversion is facilitated by biliverdin reductase. Now this bilirubin is unconjugated bilirubin, and this bilirubin comes into the circulation. This unconjugated bilirubin, when comes into the circulation, binds with albumin. Why this unconjugated bilirubin binds with albumin? Because this unconjugated bilirubin has the tendency to leak out through the kidney or accumulate in tissue or cross the blood-brain barrier, which is very problematic. So albumin binds with unconjugated bilirubin. After that, when this unconjugated bilirubin with albumin comes into the liver, the unconjugated bilirubin is taken up by hepatocyte cell and the albumin is returned back to the circulation. In the hepatocyte cell, unconjugated bilirubin combined with glutathione S transferase, and this helps keep the bilirubin dissolved and stops it from leaking back into the bloodstream. Now inside the hepatocyte, bilirubin attached with glucuronic acid, and now this bilirubin called conjugated bilirubin. So this is the process of production of bilirubin, both unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin. And if the level of either conjugated or unconjugated bilirubin gets too high in the blood, it leads to jaundice. So in my next video we will discuss about the causes of unconjugated bilirubin increment and conjugated bilirubin increment. Thank you.